Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you the setting of select to speak on additional settings of OPPO mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, here just click on the select to speak. Okay, search for the select to speak. Here it has came, so click on it. So when you move on it, here is the select to speak. Just click on here on this icon. When you move here, you can see this is the shortcut. Okay, if you want to activate, just click on this icon. Okay, and click on OK, and this allows select to speak to have full control of your device. Just click on OK if you want to activate it, and if you don't want, just click on cancel. If you have been on from before and you want to off, just click on this icon like this. It will be the off option will be like this. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching.